You ever had a tahini cookie? What's it taste like?
Mix between
Peanut butter and white chocolate.
This recipe started out completely different. I thought I was going to make hummus. But somehow I blinked and ended up with a sourdough tahini, white chocolate chip glazed cookie. Started with brown butter, and the second it got golden and nutty, I knew I was no longer making hummus. Then I added the sugars. I put in the egg, the maple syrup, a bit of tahini, swirled it right in until it looked just perfect. Then came the vanilla, and of course my sourdough discard. I just blended it all together. Next, the flour mixture came in. I stirred that all up. And then the white chocolate chips. I don't think you can ever have too many. I scooped the dough onto the baking sheet and the cookies baked up really soft and pretty. Okay, the glaze was not planned at all. My sweet tooth kind of kicked in and I completely went rogue. I drizzled all over the hot cookies so it melts right onto the top. Then I added a little sprinkle of maple cinnamon sugar and a touch of turbinado for fun. The cookies turned out cozy, nutty, sweet, warm. I can't believe I ever thought I was going to make hummus. And honestly, it might be one of my favorite kitchen accidents ever. And if you make them, let me know how many your honey gives you.